Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. Here checking out a property on the West Bank of Jefferson Parish. We're in Harvey now, so this is a house we're looking to purchase. We haven't gotten a contract yet. We're just doing an inspection. It's an inherited property, so yeah, the current owners had inherited it, and they live out of state, so they don't actually live locally. So you know, we've been chatting over the phone about it, and we've just come to check it out to have a look. They're not that aware of the condition, and unfortunately it's pretty bad actually. So you know, we're okay. We do buy properties in as-is condition, but this is definitely one of those as-is conditions. You know, you can see there's mold in the house. You know, the reason's pretty obvious. You know, the roof has leaked. You'll see this throughout the house, you know, and mold. You know, there's obviously water coming into the house throughout big sections of it. You know, yeah, obviously lots of penetration from the roof. So, you know, obviously there's a lot of belongings left behind, which is always hard. You know, probably the hardest thing when you inherit the property is just getting all these belongings that, you know, obviously some of this stuff is going to be sentimental and they're going to want to keep, but a lot of it they're not, and having to go through when you're like when you're out of state and to try to clean through, and you know, for them to get this house ready for a homeowner is going to be, to sell like through a realtor, is going to be a big deal. You know, one, there's the stuff, and then to go through it all, you know, keep what they want, get rid of whatever they don't want, and it's going to need a substantial rehab. You know, new roof, all this mold's got to be treated. You know, most of this drywall's probably going to be changed because of the water penetration. It's a big rehab. You know, so if you're out of state and you know it's a house you've inherited, there's emotional attachment. You know, quite often fixing it up, you know, for a realtor isn't the best option, and that's people we deal with a lot. You know, people that just, you know, they want an investor like us who can just take the property in its current condition. You know, obviously they can take whatever they want from it, but just leave everything else behind. That's our problem. You know, we'll donate what we can to charity. We'll clear the rest out. I mean, we're going to get dumpsters anyway as part of that rehab. So, you know, if there's junk, we'll get rid of it, and obviously we'll donate what we can, whatever's salvageable. So look, that's obviously generally an easier option. You know, we pay cash and buy as is. So obviously, you know, we don't have real. You know, if a bank was to lend money on this house, you know, they're going to want to do an inspection, and they're going to find a lot of issues, and that's going to really be hard to get a bank loan. So, you know, someone like us who buys cash in as-is condition, that's often just a better option. So, you know, these are definitely the properties that we buy. As I said, we're still just checking this one out, so we haven't got this contracted, and generally our process for this is we'll generally chat over the phone, we'll discuss the property, get information on the condition, and based on that we'll do a bit of desk research of the area, the comps. Based on the information we hear, we'll try to estimate a rehab cost, and we're generally pretty accurate based on that information. If the information we get is accurate, we're generally pretty accurate, and we'll do that over the phone to save your time, so you don't have to like let us in or, you know, bother tenants or anything like that. So we'll do that over the phone, and if we're in the same ballpark on price, then we'll come out and see. So that's where we're at now. So yeah, from what we discussed, this was a property we're likely to purchase. I forget the actual numbers myself, to be honest, because we do run a lot of them. So, you know, when I come out, I'll look at the house, I'll take some photos, I might grab a video, and then I'll go back to the office and just crunch numbers again, you know, based on what I've actually seen. So if it's pretty much what we were said on the phone, then the numbers should be the same, and we'll make a firm written offer. If there's anything different, you know, it might be a different offer. And at that point, once we make that offer, it's a firm offer in writing. If you want to accept it, then we're ready to close as soon as title clears. You know, that can be as fast as 8 days. You know, if everything's really clean. More often it's like 2 weeks that will close in, or if you need longer, that's fine. I don't remember whether this has gone through succession yet. If it hasn't gone through succession, our title attorneys can organise that, but that just does add a little bit of time to the closing. So You know, but if you really want to move fast, we can generally move in 1 to 2 weeks. And if you need more time or things to work out, that's totally fine. We obviously can work with that as well. So look, if you have a house you're looking to sell, you know, something that you just don't want to make the repairs yourself and you just want to sell it for cash in as is condition, then reach out to Home Buyer Louisiana. Would love to have a chat and just give you some advice. And you know, if our numbers sort of work towards your numbers, then great, we can do a deal. And if we can't, we're still just going to help and give you whatever advice we can to help you, you know, figure out what you want to do with your property. So thanks guys, speak soon.